Hey, welcome back to Living Local. You know, summer is one of the busiest times of the year for medical professionals as workloads increase and staffing shortages become more pronounced. And it's only expected to get worse.
It is. The American Hospital Association estimates a shortage of up to 3.2 million healthcare workers by 2026. But a recent survey provides a little ray of hope.
Hey,
so let's take a look in this segment sponsored by Indeed.
Director of Healthcare Category Management at Indeed, Dr. Travis Moore, details the causes of current staffing shortages in healthcare.
One, we just have a larger patient population than we've had in the past. We have an aging population, as well as we have a number of people that are trying to get caught up on some of the things that they may have put off during the pandemic. Speaking of the pandemic, we had a significant impact to our healthcare workers experiencing burnout, and many of them just even leaving the field and the industry completely. Fortunately, we're not seeing that as bad now, and a lot of them are starting to return to healthcare occupations, but we're trying to still recover from some of those losses. And then the other big thing is the educational pipeline just hasn't been able to keep up with the demand for healthcare workers. And this is largely due to we don't have enough faculty to be able to train healthcare workers and accept enough people into these programs.
But a new survey commissioned by Indeed shows growing enthusiasm in a profession plagued with burned out workers.
So Indeed commissioned the Pulse of Healthcare report, and really we wanted to understand how are healthcare job seekers and healthcare workers feeling. And I would say the big takeaway for me, the big positive, was that the vast majority of healthcare workers really connect with their work and have a passion or some calling into many of these occupations. And the vast majority, over 80%, want to stay in healthcare for the rest of their career. Which was a really different kind of perspective than what we've seen over the past couple of years as a lot of healthcare workers are leaving the industry.
Dr. Moore explains how the survey sparked a new collection of learning tools for those interested in medical careers.
So Indeed took that survey, saw this opportunity, and wanted to give back in some way and created the Careers in Care Hub on Indeed, which provides kind of a collection of tools, tips, resources, articles, videos to help people explore opportunities in healthcare, as well as helping people that are currently in healthcare find better balance and even better work in some situations.
Find more on the Careers in Care Hub at Indeed.com.
Again, this segment was sponsored by Indeed, and you can learn more when you visit Indeed.com.
And we'll have all those details posted at ourquadcities.com.